Hi, it's Jerry Levinson at Carpets of Arizona, and what I want to show you is our most popular new flooring today is Karndean Korlok. Now, it's scratch-proof, waterproof, 100% waterproof. Great for kitchens and bathrooms, and soft on your feet, soft on your back, and there's a lot of beautiful styles to choose from. But this flooring can get expensive, all right? There's a lot to do in a flooring project. So for one, you have the material cost is $5.98 a square foot. Then you have the installation cost at about $4 a square foot. Tile tear out is going to run you about $3 a square foot. New baseboards to get them all around your house. Now, a lot of people don't like selling it because it adds to the cost, but you need it to do it right. You need to replace the baseboards, and that's going to run you about $1.50 a square foot. To move the appliances and furniture is also going to run you, on average, about $1.50 a square foot. If you add that all up, your project's going to run about $15.98 a square foot. So what we did is we created the ultimate flooring experience for you. We have one low price, just $10.88 a square foot, and it does all of that. You're going to get beautiful new flooring. You're going to get the installation done right. You're going to get tile tear out and furniture move, appliance remove, and then we're going to include any transitions that are necessary to finish the job right. Not to mention the baseboard. So 4.5-inch modern or Victorian baseboards is going to be included in your project. It's going to be done right. We are also going to put back your furniture and your appliances. This is a lifetime guaranteed installation, and it's really been a great experience for our customers so far. We've had several that have taken advantage of the ultimate installation experience. We look forward to seeing you at our showroom.